What separates the men who stay free from porn from those that don't, from those that fall back into it time and time and over again? Well, brother, it's not more willpower. It's not better filters. It's not even that the men that created freedom in their life followed and had the perfect strategy and plan. The men that no longer struggle with this understood that it's about who you become in this journey that ultimately dictates and determines your freedom. You know, we've worked with over 1,600 men here to help them step into a life of absolute freedom. And we've been able to identify certain patterns and certain traits within these men that allow them to step out of the ashes of addiction and into a life of freedom. In today's episode of The Rebuilt Man, I'm going to share with you the 7 character traits that define and create a porn-free man. For those of you that are new here, my name is Coach Frank Rich, founder of The Rebuilt Man, and it is our mission to help men become better men by quitting porn and rebuilding their lives. So if you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching there on YouTube, turn those post notifications on because we drop multiple episodes every single week. And if you're a man that is struggling, I want you to stick around till the end of today's episode because I'm going to share with you a free gift, an invitation to join an exclusive community of men that are all committed to walking out these character traits, that are all committed to supporting each other in this journey. But, you know, I think most men look at this journey to freedom through the wrong lens. I think that there is a broken approach in most recovery spaces. And this is what I saw back in 2019. And this is why I've dedicated my life over these last 6 years to retransforming what it means to walk in freedom. Because, brother, it's not about hiding anymore. It's not about self-condemnation. It's not about trying to live a life of sobriety or trying to white knuckle your way or manage your struggles through this. Real freedom comes through transformation. Transformation in character, transformation in identity, transformation in mindset, transformation in disciplines, transformation in your spiritual walk. And it's these 7 traits that we've seen time and time and time again. There's patterns. There's patterns in the men that struggle. There's patterns in the men that walk in freedom. And today's episode is about sharing with you those patterns of traits that we've seen, 7 of them, and over 1,600 men that have created a life of pure and absolute freedom. Trait number 1 is porn-free men choose discipline over desire. They do not allow their feelings. They do not allow their emotions to dictate and drive their actions. Porn-free men lead with principle first, the principles at which they're going to show up and live their life. They do not allow the feelings and emotions to dictate and drive their actions, and they show up even when they don't feel like it. Now, what does this look like? This looks like daily routines. We've shared episodes on our daily 5 practices that we have. This looks like daily commitment to workout, daily commitment to prayer, to journaling. These must become non-negotiables. Non-negotiables mean you do them despite how you feel. A man that looks at porn allows his feelings to drive his actions. A man that walks in freedom chooses discipline over those desires. Number 2 is porn-free men live and operate from a place of radical honesty. There's no secrets. There's no shames. We had an incredible conversation recently inside one of our community calls about this topic of living in truth, living in radical honesty. You must take light and shine it into the darkness. You got to be honest with yourself and with others about your thoughts, about your temptations. What you hide in your life has power over you. What you expose loses its grip. What are the areas in your life right now that you are keeping something a secret? A porn-free man lives and operates from a place of radical honesty. Number 3 is porn-free men live and express emotional intelligence, EQ, or emotional maturity. They feel their emotions. They understand that the emotions are part of everyday life. They don't run from them. They don't escape them. They don't suppress them. They can sit in whatever feeling or emotion it is. It doesn't matter if it's stress, sadness, boredom, loneliness, isolation. And here's the key is they don't just sit in it, they know how to respond to those emotions, not react. An animal lacking real rational thinking reacts. A human being, a man, a porn-free man, creates a space in between that feeling and his response. And his response is one of emotional maturity. Number 4 here is porn-free men are vision-driven. They have a compelling future, a compelling vision of the future that pulls them forward. Because, brother, if you don't know where it is you're going, porn will always be your fallback. You look for something to escape into because you don't like the reality of the life that you're living. Because it lacks vision. It lacks purpose. It lacks meaning. It lacks fulfillment. You wouldn't want to lose yourself at the end of the night if that day was filled with vision-centric principles, vision-centric task. Porn-free men cast a vision for their life that is far bigger than they know that they can accomplish on their own. And they make it every single day's goal to step closer into living that vision out. So porn-free men are vision-driven. Number 5 is porn-free men express and portray and possess spiritual strength. Whatever that looks like for you, they must rely and we must rely on God, not just grit. There is a spiritual battle that is taking place in this world, and porn is being used and weaponized against you. You got to stay armored up. You got to get in the word. You got to pray. You got to get in community. You got to get around other men that are going to lift you up. Iron sharpens iron. I don't believe that any man can walk through this journey to freedom without a spiritual transformation. You could have practiced and prayed and been close to God your entire life, but brother, this journey will take you even closer to the man that he has called you to be. And that looks differently for every single one of us. But there's something calling inside of you. The voice of God inside of you is calling you for more. It's calling you for that vision. It's planting you with the ability to have emotional maturity. When you aren't living in integrity and radical truth, God speaks to you inside. And there's that disconnect, that conviction. That's God's voice whispering to you. So porn-free men possess and grow in their spiritual strength. Number 6 here. It's been an ongoing theme and conversation. I told you I was going to have a gift and an invitation for you. But porn-free men stay brotherhood connected. They know that they cannot conquer this journey alone. They've got mentors, brothers, communities. Iron sharpens iron. We already talked about it in number 5. They know that addiction feeds itself in loneliness and isolation. And they know that the pathway out of this is having regular, ongoing, meaningful, purpose-driven conversations with other men that want to lift them up. But they don't try to do it alone. And if you've been going out this alone, it's time to stop trying by yourself. Join us inside our school community, school.com, skool.com/reboot your life. There's a free week trial link down there in the show notes below. But number 7 here is ownership and leadership. Porn-free men operate from a place of extreme ownership and self-leadership. They take full responsibility for everything in their lives. There's no blaming. There's no excuses. They lead themselves first in order that they can lead others. Nobody tied you down to watch pornography. Nobody told you that you had to use that to cope with your feelings. Take ownership for where you are and take responsibility for being the man that's going to get you out of it. Now, yes, you may have to develop some skills of self-leadership. We can teach that inside of our community. Pick up books, listen to podcasts. We have an entire curriculum on self-leadership. But the 7 traits, they choose discipline over desire. They live in radical honesty. Porn-free men are emotionally mature and emotionally intelligent. Porn-free men live a life of vision-centric first. They grow in their spiritual strength. They stay connected in a community, and they take ownership, radical, extreme ownership and self-leadership in every area of their lives. Now, some of you are thinking that you need to be perfect and you need to have mastered all of this just to start. Brother, this is the journey of developing these traits that is parallel to the journey of walking into freedom. You need to commit to becoming this man, though. Which of the traits do you already see in yourself, and which are the ones that you need to develop? Lean into them. But get around the right type of men. Get in the community that's going to force you to level up. It's going to force you to grow, to challenge you to become better than you currently are. We've already mentioned it here. We have a free week trial to our school community. School.com, SKOOL.com/reboot your life. Click the link down there in the show notes below, though. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. But 7 traits, master them, live them out, embody them. And brother, freedom will be yours in no time. God bless you guys. Coach Frank, the Rebuilt Man. We love you. We'll see you in the next one.